Hey, it's Ronan, and someone on Reddit asked if there's sheet music for the song How the Shadow is Clear. I had a listen. It's a very unique song. Let's figure it out together. I'll listen to it and play back what I hear. I teach all of this stuff over on AccordionLove.com. I'm not going to produce the sheet music, but I'll walk you through how to understand the song so that you can play along, sing, etc. Let's listen together. I'll have a link to the song. Listen, it's very unique to me. Let's have a listen. I found the note. What chord is this note a part of? I found the B. Is it a part of a B minor? Is it a part of an E minor? Or is it a part of a... Let's try and listen and play what we hear. It's part of a B minor. We started, there was a chord before it, and we moved to the B minor. So again, I don't have a computer in front of me, but in my mind, I'm writing B minor. Right? I heard that. The other notes probably are part of the B minor chord. Let's keep going. The song is in the key of F sharp minor. The second chord we identified as B minor. What does that mean? On accordion, it means I'm here between F sharp minor, B minor. I could already assume, there's a danger in assuming, but I could assume with probability, with high probability, that the chords in the song will be F sharp minor, B minor, maybe there's an E and an A. And maybe we'll also go up from the F sharp minor to the C sharp minor, right? That's the 5 or the C sharp major. But we're in this little area. We're not going to play down here. I can accurately predict that the song will not have a C major or a G major. So what I heard with my ear was playing back this. Ba. I don't have perfect pitch. I'm looking around and I landed on that C sharp. Let's keep going. Ba-da-da-da. There's that C sharp minor. What does this mean? F sharp minor is the root of the song. This is the set of chords and notes that we're allowed to play with. The root of the song is an F sharp minor. We go to the minor 4. We go to the minor 5. Beautiful. If I was to transpose the song to things that we understand, that are more familiar, the song's in D minor to G minor to A minor right? And now I can improvise. You know D minor, G minor, A minor. So many songs contain this chord sequence. We are in the key of F sharp minor. I'm not so familiar with the key of F sharp minor, but I need to know the 1 chord, the minor 4, the minor 5, and back to the 1. That's the practice. Right hand and left hand. Let's keep listening. Ba. Oh, what was that chord? It might be the... It might be... This is a jazzy chord that I'm hearing. It's neither major nor minor. Those of you with musical backgrounds are probably identifying it. I need to really work on it. Oh, maybe it just goes to the C7, right? I think those are the 4 chords. F sharp minor, B minor, C minor, C major, or even C7, back to that F sharp minor. Let's keep listening. I'm playing along. Beautiful. Major. A major. I'm not going to attempt the overtone singing. Incredible. We can play. So again. Beginning. And again, I'm improvising, just like this artist is improvising. The main feature is the throat singing, and obviously the accordion supporting it. But I have entire units on Accordion Love on how to support singing, on how to improvise, how to derive melody, given a set of chords. A, B minor. C sharp minor, C major, C. Let's go back again. There's our chord progression. For the verse, A major, walk up to B minor, da 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 da, to C sharp minor, da da da, like before C major, resolve to F sharp minor. Again, we have 4 chords in the beginning, 4 chords for the verse. A major, la da 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 da, B minor, C sharp minor, C sharp major, resolve to F sharp minor. If we were to transpose like we did before to more approachable chords for more beginner players, our initial chords were D minor, G minor, A major, D minor. F major to the G minor, to A minor, A7 to D minor. You know these chords. Let's go back to the song. Same. Sorry, I have an alarm going off. You might hear the alarm. Good. That's the song. Let's keep listening a little bit. I do have a phone call. F sharp minor. So that happens twice. Lots of little trills and ornaments that are beautiful. Bo ba 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 ba. What are those chords? Still F sharp minor. Da, da, da. They are using a beautiful rhythm. I can only imitate it. I'm using something that's familiar to me. Bass tone, do da ba ba ba. Let's see. Beautiful. Minor 1 to the minor 5. F sharp minor, C sharp minor, F sharp minor. They're probably using some sort of bellow shake technique that I have never practiced, so I would have to imitate it. Right? Still the same chords. So beginning, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, A major, da 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 da, A major. A major to the B minor. Right, we're just now supporting our voice with a full chord. Before we did some sort of doina, an improvised melody. Right now we're playing the entire chord. If I was more familiar with a song, I could do more things. This chord progression for this verse, A major to the B minor, C minor back to the A. Beautiful. They are doing a bellow shake technique that I don't do, so they're going to be much better at it, but etc. I'm going to fast forward a little bit. Still the same chords. Again, lots of droning chords, not right, we practice switching chords. A major, we have to use a chord voicing, so we switch between these chords smoothly. This is years of practice. This is how we practice accordion. Thank you for whoever suggested this on Reddit. I'll post the thread and I'll post the song, but this is how I approach learning songs. This is how someone would approach transcribing a song, not just the individual notes. Yes, they're important, but I bet that every time the song is performed, it's a little bit different. If we're asked to improvise, do a solo over the song, I don't have the transcription to read. If I want to do this song as a waltz, right? The song's approachable. I don't need to read the notes to understand the song. There's a free trial to Accordion Love. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.